My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we're doing a simple unboxing of the AirPods Pro. This is obviously a product from Apple. I just thought we could do a little unboxing. Listen, this is nothing new. You can Google this product and you'll find 1,000 unboxings of it, but I was kind of curious to see how they would fare hiking in the hot weather. I'm going through earpods, like headphones, like crazy right now. And my headphones are either dying a slow and painful death, or they just simply stop working, which is really annoying me. So I thought we could just do a simple unboxing today. These are the AirPods Pro. I got them for my birthday, actually, just a little bit ago. Here's what it looks like. As we all know, right? If you own any Apple products, right, it's very simplistic inside here with a little instruction booklet. Let's see what they bring us. See what they give us, I should say. It's just a little picture, shows you how to set it up. I don't know if you can see that there. Tells you to connect it via Bluetooth and to charge them fully, and also that they have different size tips that you can utilize on here. I'll have to show that to you later. And then it just has some warranty information and regulatory compliance information. That's all in this little tiny folder that they give you. And then here are the AirPods themselves. What I like about the AirPods is they come in a self-charging little tube here, so you keep them in this and then they can be charged more fully in the AirPods charger. Cool, huh? Okay. Before we get into it too, there's an extra little piece here I didn't see. Looks like there's a tab that says lift, and it says please take out the AirPods first and then lift. And then this is what's on underneath. Oh. And then look, it's got the different sized tips in there, it looks like. This slides out. Or this opens somehow. I think you just pull on this and it opens. Somehow. Oh, never mind. It just kind of flips open. So you just flip this open and voila. There's the different size tips. I have little tiny ears. I've shown you guys in the past. Little tiny tips then available for me. The extra small ones. And then this kind of folds up and it goes behind here. And then it also comes with a charging cable. It looks like this is a braided charging cable used for extra rugged territory. So if you're out and about and you really need to charge your AirPods, now it comes with like an almost indestructible cable. Look at how it's braided like that. Do you see the felt on it? It's kind of cool. It might be plastic, but it looks like cloth on it actually, and it feels like it too. So anyways, this is just your standard charging cable. This is a USB-C to USB-C as well. So C to C. If you have a charging cable like that, you can use that one too. All right, I'm gonna go put this away. Looks like the box is empty. Cool. And then look at how cute it is too. It's actually quite adorable. Anyway, so this flips open. And then they have the little AirPods in here. And you pull each of them out and tuck them in your ears when you're ready to use them. And then it's magnetic in here too. So you just clip them back in order to recharge them and close the lid. And then it's got the USB-C, the one that we were talking about down here. And it looks like a little place for a lanyard. And then that's pretty much it. Here's the back of it. Nothing on there. That's the place for the lanyard. Here's the front. Nothing on that side. And then the bottom is where the USB-C is. And then that's it. It just comes in this little case. Isn't that cute? I think it's really neat, actually. And I'm going to have to switch the tips around, but that's it. I just wanted to show it. It's nice. I don't see like an indicator. This might be an indicator light right here, actually. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that might be a little indicator where it shows that it's charging or it's connected. I don't know why it's making a dinging noise. We're going to have to read the instructions in order to figure that out. I still have my old iPhone 11 Yes, I know. I have not upgraded yet, but I will be very soon. And I'll hopefully be able to give you guys some better content with some noise canceling headphones as well. So, anyways. All right. So, thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Look at how cute it is. It's the Apple AirPods Pro. Oh, I wanted to show the difference too between the AirPods Pro and the regular AirPods. I do not own the regular AirPods, so these are just the AirPods Pro version. I got these ones because it had more of a tip that fit into the ear, where the regular AirPods are just this piece typically, right? Without the little extra like soft tip that goes in your ear, if that makes sense. So, anyways, but I thought these were pretty nice. You see how cool they look? And then they have a little metal tip as well for touching on and off for like calls or muting. I'm not too sure. I'll have to read about it. So, anyways, thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently subscribed and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching. Ding ding! And I'll see you in the next video.